7, 8, come on everybody, it's a Kikibshow.
And he didn't lift like a finger to like.
What a jerk! Oh no, here comes Petey.
What did he do to you?
Nothing. He's just a little strange. He was raised in the wild.
By wolves?
No. Parrots.
Petey want a cracker! Petey want a cracker!
So I hear you were raised by parrots?
Raised by parrots! Raised by parrots!
Actually, my parents were missionaries in the Amazon jungle. When I was 3 years old, I wandered away from their camp and got lost. Wild parrots took me in and raised me as one of their own.
So what was that like?
It's pretty normal, I guess. Just a regular family.
Wow, that's amazing.
It was a good childhood. We just had to watch out for hunters.
Poachers?
No, pirates. They would always try and Shanghai us. If I even hear the word matey, it scares the crap out of me.
Yo, Carrie. You're out of rum.
Arr.
That's okay. Let's just move to the living room.
Hey, beautiful.
Hi. Oh, you have to try this ham. It is delicious.
Okay. Wow, that is delicious. But I think I tasted a little bit of your lunch. Tuna?
You got it. With
Honey maple What the hell is this? Oh, you animals, you did it! Why, God, why? 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 Why?
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, take it easy, man. I don't think they kill the birds to get the feathers.
Yeah, they just pluck them.
I know what happens to these birds. How would you like it if I ripped your pubic hair out strand by strand and shoved it in a pillow?
Hey, man, take it easy.
Yeah, maybe you need some fresh air.
Hey, what's that dude's problem?
Now that guy, raised by wolves.